Hi friends, I am Sai Chismia. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Face ID unlocking in the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is a Realme X7 Pro smartphone which I'm using currently in my video. And as you can see, the phone has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor. And this phone very soon it's gonna launch in India. And before that, if you want to know more details about this phone regarding the battery, fingerprint scanner, vibrations, and loudspeaker and display and everything, so try to subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro, and you can decide whether to buy this phone or not in case if you plan to buy the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's get started friends with the Face ID unlocking speed test in this mobile phone. So you can find the Face ID unlocking in the settings, and if you go here, so let me try to open the face here. And as you can see friends, so here you can add only one face ID as unlocking option in this mobile phone. So in other few phones I did find the option of adding multiple faces, but here it only allows you to add only one face at once, so you cannot add any multiple faces. And next is that you do option of enabling the Face ID unlocking not only for the unlocking the phone but also for the app lock and private safe, and also for the app installation from the third-party applications as well. So whenever you install any APK files, so it will ask the permissions of the Face ID and fingerprint scanner. That's a very good neat advantage in terms of higher security. So without your knowledge, no one can actually install the APK files. So next option is that auto brightness screen for face unlock. So this option of enabling this option, like when during the dark scenarios, what happens, the screen light will actually increase, the lock screen of the light will increase, and that will help you to scan the Face ID much faster and accurate way. And next is that unlock only when eyes are open. So this is another option which I'm seeing for the very long time in the Realme phones. So that's a very good neat option. If you disable this option, what happens is that even when your eyes are closed, the screen will try to unlock actually. So right now even I retry this kind of test, even when my eyes are closed it did unlock. So whenever you are sleeping, so your friends can easily unlock the mobile phone just by pointing the camera at your face. So that's another thing you need to remember. So always enable this option if you're having that kind of friends around you. So that's why another option is that screen unlocking. So swipe to unlock or auto unlock. So mostly I'll try to use the auto unlock only, not swipe to unlock, because whenever I press the power button, the screen will actually the front camera will actually scan for my face, as you can see here. So if you use this kind of swipe to unlock, then every time you need to swipe upwards to scan with the Face ID. So that's another thing. As you can see, it stays in the lock screen only, it will unlock, but it will not open to the home screen. So you need to swipe upside every time. So I will prefer to use only auto unlock option, so it will go back to the home page as soon as it gets unlocked, as you can see here. So this is a quick Face ID this is a Face ID review on the Realme X7 Pro, and next video I'll try to do the Face ID comparison test with the Realme X2 Pro as well. So this is a Realme X2 Pro. I'll try to do the Face ID unlocking and fingerprint unlocking, display comparisons, and so many comparisons between both of these models, because most of the users, they are confused which phone to buy between these both models. So I'll try to help you out in terms of deciding which phone is better for you all. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. And one more thing friends, I forgot to show the setup process initially. So let me try to start from the beginning. So if you click the add face, so once you open the pattern or any password, then it will ask you to enroll the face. So just observe how much time it takes, very small amount of time only. So let's click on the continue. As you can see, it already detected, and within I think 1 second it got detected my face, and it will try to unlock pretty much fastly, as you can see here. So this is a setup process I forgot to say you, so I thought of recording it at last. So thank you for waiting this time, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.